Marie's cooking vlog, yeah! Hello everybody, today I'm going to be cooking some frittatas. And yes, if you were wondering, I did get this new camera for Christmas. Oh yeah, and I sprained my wrist. So step 1, prepare your ingredients. So first you're gonna gather your veggies. So for this, it's some nice peppers and some nice green onions and some butter too. Then you move on to your bacon. That's good bacon right there. Canadian bacon, super nice. And then you also gather your golden free-range yolk eggs. So yeah, and you bring that eggs over there, and those are eggs, really good. And I'm not going to show the cracking for this video so I don't hurt anybody's feelings. I know some vegans are sensitive. So yeah, so step 2, cook the food. So you are going to turn on your stove. That's probably important because you want to cook your food and it cannot cook this nicely. Like you can see that sizzle if it is not on. Then oh hey, you add some bell peppers and tomatoes. Yes, look at that sizzle. Then you add your green onions, your peas, and your basil. And then you add your really good mozzarella cheddar. And look at that. Just delicious. Then you add your egg, and that egg is what makes a frittata. It's not a frittata without the egg. Then after a few minutes of some sizzle on the pan, you set your timer to 9 minutes and wait for the oven to preheat and cook, then finish, right? Yeah, I know. Step last 3, enjoy the food, okay? So, you probably want to pour yourself a nice glass of milk because no good food is good without good milk. And then you take your frittata out of the oven. Make sure you wear the oven mitts because it will hurt if you don't. Then you enjoy and look at how good your thing looks. And boom, look at that frittata, you're done. It's so good. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed, Miss Gribber.